Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter Power Boost full hybrid engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the black appearance package, the tow and haul package, the mobile office package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that rear park sensing, tow hitch, we do get a Pro-Access tailgate, backup camera, we got that nice blacked out Ford logo, we got a nice black gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection with turn light indicated, and blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we got front park sensing, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, which is supposed to be right there, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, cup holders with 2 heated back seats with a 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120. And of course, you can lift up the seats for additional storage, and you get a flat fold storage system. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space with a B&O sound system, powered mirrors, as well as memory seating for the 3 drivers, parking brake pedal adjusters, lights, spotlights, and tailgate opener all on your left-hand side. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to... Oops. My bad. Taking a look at our main screen here, you can see that the kilometers are sitting at 9.7. Looking here, we have a leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have our main menu, which has My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which you can kind of see ahead of me. It just limits your distractions. We do have our gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Here we have a leather-wrapped gear shift speed adjusters, collapsible with tons of storage, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C cup holders. This does close. Leather-wrapped center console that does turn into an interior work surface, or you can put your meal there, whatever you prefer. You do have tons of storage underneath. Rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive and drive modes, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated and cooled front seats, dual climate, 120 volt outlet just right there, or the button to turn it on and it's just underneath. Storage above and below. Storage right here. We do get a nice rear window opener, as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, Pro Power Onboard, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, traction, and BLUECRUISE. Looking at our main screen here, we have our audio that does have Sirius XM capabilities. You got your phone, navigation, come on, there you go. Your fave apps such as messaging, email, all that fun stuff. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FC13159, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.